Hi beautiful people, namaste, welcome to my channel. I'm Girija and today we are doing October 2021 PK card, what you can expect, what you can look forward to, and I'm pretty excited. We are heading so fast in this year, so without wasting any time, let us just check what are our options are. And yes, since a long time I haven't posted any video on YouTube, but I'm back, and I'm planning to post regular PK cards, and whatever you feel you can post in the comment section so that I can make a video on that. And yes, you can also follow me on Instagram for latest updates on readings as well as on healings, and also with regards to crystals. And yes, if you feel connected to this reading, please do consider to like, share and subscribe this channel. So yes, everything will be given in the description box, and also the times stamps. All right, so yes, I'm pretty excited. Let's see what is coming through for us. So here are your groups. Hi, group one. Namaste. Welcome to your reading. So, people, those who have got attracted to this beautiful blue color flowers. Before starting the reading, I am just getting a very soothing, very calming vibe for this particular group, and I'm just feeling, and as I'm holding this crystal in my hand, I'm just feeling that since a very long time, this particular group, you are hustling for something. So you have your work, you have your kids, you have your family, you have your personal thing that is going on. Also, for few of you, you also might be studying part-time or full-time, or for few of you, you could be having like two professions or two jobs, or it could be one is your business, the thing that you are doing, as well as your regular job. And there is so much of hustling, so much of running here and there, and now I am seeing that you are much in a calmer state. For many of you, I am seeing that. I'm also sensing that you have experienced a lot of hustle also because of someone's illness in your family. This is what I am seeing. So it's hustling between your job and between taking care of that member. So this is what I'm seeing, and finally now you are coming more into the peaceful energies is what I'm seeing. And I'm able to see some kind of sparkles. So there could be some kind of celebration, there could be some invitations or something like that, or maybe you have already got the invite is what I am seeing. A beautiful silver and golden sparkles I am seeing. So do let me know in the comment section if there is anything that you are celebrating. So yes, let us see what our cards are saying. So I have huge bunch of cards. So let's see what is coming through. I have not seen these cards yet. So let me just check these cards, and please thank you for keeping this patience as I am checking. I am intuitively diving deep so that we get the highest and best readings. All right, group number one, people for blue color flowers. Yes, by the way, happy October to everybody. Yes. All right, people. So as I was getting the vibe, I am seeing you are coming in some sort of completion. All that hustling and maybe some illness or hustling between the jobs and all that stuff is finally coming towards end. As you have been through this Nine of Swords, this is the energy that is coming into your past, and now finally you are able to rest is what I am getting very strong. Like just see how cards are supporting each other. Here is the stress card. You have been through a lot of stress, and it's not only your personal stuff, but also where you might have been involved for someone else. This is I'm getting very very strong, and for many of you I'm seeing some kind of emotional healing, emotional release that has happened for you since a very long time. Also, I'm seeing people who are looking forward towards traveling, towards overseas traveling. Now I'm listening that wait is over for you, all that stress, or maybe you might have invested in some overseas project, and because of the pandemic situations you had to wait, and finally now that thing is opening for you, is what I'm seeing very very strong. Yes, also in your health cards I'm seeing this card of let go, letting go whatever was disturbing your health, your wellness, all that is now slowly it is getting released from your energy field. And yes, there is some kind of transformation that you are sensing. All right, so this card says transformation, things are changing at a cellular level, that is deep healing that is taking place for you, that is wonderful. All right, so these are the cards like transformation, when you are when you realize that something is wrong, and then you realize like you have the power to change the situations for yourself or your loved ones, and finally you are like that graph goes up and up, and you are in a complete transformative state. So the sea serpent and the transformation card, also the nine of swords, these cards are saying that you are evolving from very hustling, from very stressful situations now towards calmer energies, because I am seeing this card of poised. Poised says that finally you are entering into the phase. Oh, see this sparkles, the stars, the sparkles, beautiful. So I'm seeing that in this month of October, you are coming in this poised situation where you are in so much of inner peace, so much of emotional satisfaction, and also there could be some relief. I am listening the word relief with the stuff which was kind of bothering you, which was like you were having so much of concern for that particular thing, and that is opening up for you. I'm also seeing that you are coming in contact with some past life relationship. So it could be friend, it could be a love and relationship kind of scenario, which is giving you so much of relief kind of thing. So for many of you I'm seeing that some past person who might have like things didn't work, and they walked away, you walked away, and again you both are coming together. It could be of on the level of friendship, it could be on the level of romance, is what I'm seeing. Also for people who are already in the relationship, in the committed relationship or in the married relationship, I'm seeing that with this poised and past life relationship, I am seeing certain issues are resolving in your current relationship, and you are coming more into a deeper bond, more into love with each other, and that is the poised kind of a feeling that you are experiencing. So it could also be the emotional healing that you are going through your current relationship. So the guidance that is coming through for you is listen to your intuitive feelings. Your body is receiving accurate messages from the divine. So maybe intuitively you are already feeling to change something or to start something. That is the vibe that I am getting. And with this letting go, I'm seeing you are releasing all the stuff that is not that was not healthy for you, or that was not in your highest and best purpose. All right, so I would pull few cards to get more clarity on your situation. So please do remember, there will be many people who is watching. This is a generalized reading. You can always book a personal reading. So for group number 1, the Lovers card and the Nine of Cups, and Hermit at the bottom of the deck. So with the Hermit card, I am seeing that you are coming into some kind of recognition which will give you this wish fulfillment kind of energy. Nine of Cups is a very amazing wish fulfillment, that kind of energy. And with the Lovers card, I am seeing that you are, for many of you, maybe you are meeting your soulmate or your twin flame, however you label it. And yes, with Nine of Cups, I am getting a very strong vibe that a few of you are traveling overseas. It could also be for some of you that you might be waiting for an overseas opportunity, on-site opportunity with regards to your job. And in the month of October, there is some positive movement towards that particular thing. So coming back to the Lovers and Nine of Cups, I am seeing many of you, you are attracting your soulmate, your partner, or for few of you, it could also be an announcement of your engagement or your wedding. Congratulations. All right, so this is all I had for group number one, blue color flowers. Beautiful reading. I hope you have an amazing month ahead, and thank you so much. God bless you. Hi, group number two. Namaste. Welcome to your reading for October 2021. Hope you all are doing well. And people, those who have chose this group number two, beautiful pink color flowers. Before looking up into your cards, I'm just scrying in the crystal what is coming through for you in this month. So immediately I'm seeing the vibe that you are starting something new. You are taking some kind of action, and you have got the opportunity to plunge into the thing that you always wanted to do. So it's a new job, it's a shift in the job, it is starting off some business or some venture. For few of you, you are starting some venture with your friend. I am listening with your friend. So yes, and I'm seeing a very strong surge of creativity. So that there could be some like idea that strikes, all right, in this month, and it could turn into literally like a very beautiful, very abundant kind of thing that will give you so much of abundance at all the levels is what I'm seeing. I am listening organic. So for maybe few of you are planning to shift to organic products or to produce a certain organic products, to create certain organic or herbal kind of products is what I am listening. And as an image, I am seeing certain lights, golden color light to be precise. All right, so and I'm listening now. The dark tunnel is over. The dark tunnel is over is what I am trying to sense. I'm trying to I am shown the vision. So like and one thing that I'm seeing for this particular group is you are kind of a person who physically exerts a lot. So I'm getting the vibe that it is the guidance that is coming through for you. Learn to rest without any guilt. Maybe you feel guilty to take breaks, to take vacation. That is the vibe that I'm seeing. So don't wait till the time that you are forced to take some break. So taking frequent breaks is healthy. All right, so let's see what your cards are saying. All right, so just give me a minute so that I can lay and dive deep into your cards. All right. I just don't like believe how like synchronized things are. I told you something about the tunnel and the light is on the other side. All right, so you are like almost here and you are entering into that light is what I am seeing. The initiation, rite of passage, crossing the threshold. So this is the exertion that I was talking about, and you need to rest, you need to let go of that um, the force break that you will be forced to take. So all right, so there are many cards here. Let me start with your dominant energy, which is showing up as Empress. So it doesn't matter, like you are a man or you are a woman watching this. Empress energy shows a lot of creativity, a lot of potential, a lot of receptivity. So in this month of October, there are high chances that you are receiving all these things. For few of you, for females who are like willing to conceive, there are high chances that in coming months or days, you are like pregnant, you are getting pregnant. That's really nice, congratulations. So I am seeing all right. Okay. With this Scorpio kind of Scorpio energy, I am seeing that in your recent past, you have been through a lot of hurt and pain. And high chances this is emotional hurt and pain. It could be an breakup kind of situation, or it could have been with the Scorpion vibe. I'm sensing some kind of betrayal, some kind of hidden things which were happening, and it just stinged you on your face is what I'm seeing with this particular combinations of cards. So the guidance that is coming through is clean it up. So whatever it is, let go and free yourself from that particular episode. Because I am sure for many of you, if you have been through some hurtful, painful situations, you might be rewinding that in your mind. That is why you are not able to free yourself. But consciously, whenever you are getting that that is rewinding in your mind, you can just affirm cut cancel delete, cut cancel delete, and immediately you can switch to a very higher vibrational thought, higher vibrational emotion that will calm you down, that will help you to make peace with the situation. Because yes, there is a lot of also grief kind of energy that I am seeing. And this has happened because you are a very powerful light worker. It is safe for you to be powerful. Your spiritual power brings great blessings in loving services to the divine. So I am seeing that you are a very empath. You are an very soft-hearted person, and this is why you have certain experiences where you have got emotionally hurt. People might have taken you for a ride, taken you for like granted, and a lot, like you are the person, like right, left and center, you keep on sharing, you keep on sharing. For you it doesn't matter that if you are not able to keep it for yourself. So it could be help, it could be like your availability, your time, your energy, everything. All right, so the guidance that is coming through is like, yes, sharing is a good thing, but you need to understand with whom to share and how much to share. And you have that, you need to tap into the power to say yourself, stop, this is what I can do my best. And free yourself from that kind of many a times you might be feeling obliged to say yes, or to offer whatever help people are asking to you. All right, so I am seeing here, as you like divine is guiding you to clean up all that you have been through. And in this coming days, a beautiful offer that is coming towards you. So for few of you, it is a new business opportunity with a King of Pentacles. I am seeing like a very strong opportunity which will materialize in an amazing outcome is what I am seeing. For few of you, I'm seeing there is some ancestral help or some help from elderly that you will be receiving, is what I'm seeing, because Page of Cups is here. This is like your energy, a very um, raw kind of energy, very you can say, like you are just having an idea, and that idea will be fulfilled by maybe your father, your grandfather, or whoever you are resonating with. So for a few of you, I'm seeing this. All right. So yes, I am seeing that October will be a very powerful month for you, because there is this transformation that you are coming through, the initiation that is happening. Yes, Six of Pentacles and Justice. October is this is the card of Libra, and we are in the Libra season. So something is getting resolved for you with Six of Pentacles. You are getting that share that belongs to you. So and also, like it is happening very unexpected for you. Maybe you have given up, like for example, you might be fighting, or you might be struggling to receive some amount of money. It also could be an court matter, it could be an property matter that you are dealing with, and suddenly from nowhere you get a message, you get a call that be present here, and you are getting some letter or you are getting some check. That kind of situation that I'm seeing for a few of you with King of Pentacles and with these combinations. So please do take however things are resonating with you. All right. So with this Scorpio card, I am also I am getting very much attracted towards this orange and yellow color, which has like it's a tail of this or whatever you call it, and it is like, just a spark. So it's not a poison or that vibe I'm getting, but I'm I'm getting like the guidance to tell you that you need to protect your energy. You need to protect your energy. You need to shield yourself, because you have experienced this many a times before, is what I'm seeing. So yes, this is all I have. Group number 2. Hope you enjoyed this reading. Please do let me know in the comment section, and God bless you. Have an amazing month. Hi, group number 3. Namaste. Welcome to your reading. People, those who have got attracted to the purplish flowers, before tapping into your cards, let us see what intuitive message, what intuitive guidance I am getting through for people for group number 3. I am seeing that you are surrounded by a lot of people, and there is a very victorious, there is a very happy kind of, like some kind of celebration that is happening. I am seeing for few of you, your marriage, your wedding is being getting fixed, or your engagement is being getting fixed, and I'm just seeing that you are applauded, you are praised by everybody around. I'm getting that Six of Wands kind of energy in this for this particular group. Of late, I am seeing that you have cut off a lot of people in your circle, especially amongst your friend circle. So maybe at times you were having this person who was your best friend, and now you are in the energy where you are not at all having any contact or any emotional connect with this kind of with this person. So you have cut off a lot of people in your circle, is what I am seeing, because that was getting you very, very toxic. All right. Are you guys searching something? Like I'm sensing that you have lost some very important thing. It could be a document, it could be some kind of object, and like for few you are literally like getting worried getting worried, and that is like tickling in your mind, like where it is, that kind of vibe I'm getting. So mid of October you might find that particular object, that particular document in mid of October is what I am saying. It does happen, like we are very much familiar to our stuff, and it doesn't matter like how small it is. If we don't find that, we get very restless. That kind of feeling I'm having for you. So do let me know whenever you find it. All right. I'm seeing exam. You are preparing for some kind of exam that is coming in a few days or few weeks, and yes, as of now I'm getting these images. So let us check what your cards are saying. All right. Please give me a moment so that, all right, I am able to tap. Oh yes, before, like whatever guidance I was getting, these cards are just validating that. All right. So at first, the toxicity that I was talking about is validated by the card Devil. I know this is not a very good happening card. And also I am seeing Seven of Swords. That is a deception kind of card, and here comes the double validation, deception. So I am getting, for few of you, you have got decepted in your love life. It could be in your marriage, it could be in your long-term relationship. It also could be with regards to your friendships, is what I am is what I'm seeing. I'm like sorry to hear that, but I'm seeing the cards that are whatever they are showing. And with this card, schizophrenia, like you don't need to get scared of this card, but schizophrenia says that still maybe you are not able to believe, you are not able to accept the reality about whatever has happened. You have got a, I can literally sense a very bad betrayal from someone, is what is coming through very, very strong. All right. Deception, some like hidden energies, you were kept in the dark, you were not aware about the thing that was happening. All right. So, and that has literally made you very, very numb. So this is the card of fat. All right. So fat doesn't mean that you are getting fat, but in this particular card, fat is something which, fat helps us to protect. All right. The function of the fat is to protect our organs. So here fat, I'm seeing that you as you got this experience, it was very traumatizing for you, and you went in your shell. You got very, very numb with your surrounding, with the people, with the relationship, with the entire idea of love and friendship, and whatever could be your personal situation. And yes, the guidance that is coming through for you is clear yourself. Whatever has happened, I'm sure it must it will not be an easy thing to let it go, but clear yourself. Ask the angels to release any toxic energy that you might have absorbed, and you have literally absorbed a very, very, very heavy energy, is what I'm seeing. For very few of you, I'm seeing that you were literally used for money or for some kind of pleasure, is what I'm seeing, is what I can sense. That is why this deception, this feeling of betrayal that is coming through. And maybe like with the schizophrenia, you were in some kind of illusion about that particular person or people that were involved in your situation. And at that time when you were with that person or in that situation, you felt everything was going so well. all right, and this sudden shock on your face, that has maybe like, you know, the rift, the internal rift that you have created, that you have experienced. So the divine is guiding you that please clear yourself, and you can like just raise an intent that I let go, I clear of all these energies, because next whatever is coming for you is an very amazing new beginning for whatever your situation is. So for a while you might be alone is what I'm seeing. You are choosing to be alone, all right, you are enjoying that. And blessed card, I'm seeing that soon you will be blessed with amazing experiences, all right, because this spirit is also showing up. Otter is a very cute, very loving, very gentle kind of energy. For few of you, I'm seeing that you are attracting an amazing person in your life. So it could be with regards to friendship or with regards to your love relationship, but you need to clear your past before, like before attracting this person. Because first of all, I'm seeing that it it doesn't necessarily means that you are in a healing profession, but you have an healing vibe, all right. So people are naturally attracted towards you, where they discuss their issues, where they share their secrets, all right. That kind of vibe I am getting. And you have an higher mission and higher purpose in your life, where you have decided, your soul contract is to uplift the humanity, is to help people, all right. So if your life purpose is that, I would suggest like don't accept that everybody is having the same purpose, all right. So that is also the reason why you have experienced this kind of deception. So where you felt that you are uplifting someone, but in return you have gotten completely opposite and very lower vibrational experience. So just clear yourself, let it go completely. With this card of Palladians, Palladies, these are very higher vibrational beings. Just see how beautiful the image here is. So I am seeing that you are already walking on your path, all right. So in coming month, in this October month, I am seeing you are attracting very blessed kind of experiences. Group number 3. You are very intuitive. You are already, you might be knowing that what you are attracting. Okay, there could be an yes. I am seeing all right. For few of you, there is an work related opportunity that you are being blessed with, all right. So it could be that you are a person who loves working independently, or freelance, or self-employed kind of vibe that I'm getting, all right. So also there are chances that at present, for few of you, you are in search of some job opportunity, and that is coming towards you, all right. So for few of you, you are attracting this new love in your life, all right. So I would suggest like whatever has been in your recent past, just clear it up as soon as possible, all right. And with the moon card, I am seeing with the moon card, like next 15 days will be very important for you, for this transformation, for this change to take place, all right. And with the moon card also, moon card the interpretation of this moon card is certain hidden like stuff. So maybe this love romance is coming towards you, which you are not aware about. It will be a sudden thing, and it will be like, where I am, what is happening, that kind of situation is what I am seeing, all right. So with 9 of Pentacles, I am also seeing that You could be, yes, you could be planning Seven of Pentacles. You could be planning to start some business or some franchisee that you are, planning to start. So things might gear up in this month of October for you. All right. So yes, this is all I have for group number 3. Hope you enjoyed this reading, and I wish you an amazing month ahead. Yes, thank you so much.